So YouTube TV just announced 4 new plans that's designed to give you the option to choose what you want to watch while saving money on your TV subscription. So we're going to jump into the details of what the plans are, but I want to know in the comment section, is it too little too late for YouTube TV, or are you excited about these new packages? Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so everyone that's been subscribed or new to the channel, you know that, in my opinion, YouTube TV has the most comprehensive TV package that's out there. And when I say comprehensive, I'm talking about the mix of channels, the user interface, the DVR, just everything about YouTube TV makes it the best. Everything besides the price. So I was a long-time subscriber of YouTube TV, but I had to drop them, unfortunately, because their prices just kept on climbing. Now the standard package for YouTube TV is $82 a month. However, what I was seeing is that after taxes and fees, I'm paying over $95, which I just couldn't justify. So I did drop them and I went to Sling TV. Now Sling isn't the best as far as UI, it is the cheapest and it does give you some bundle options, but now that YouTube TV is offering new packages, maybe it's time to take a second look. So let's head over to YouTube blogs and see what these new packages entail. So here we are on YouTube News. This is an official YouTube website, and the title of this one is Flex Your Option. YouTube TV plans launch this week. So it goes on to say, TV should be easy, and YouTube TV plans launching this week. We're giving customers more control over their subscription. So over the next several weeks, we're rolling out 10 plus plans across sports, news, entertainment, and family content, priced lower than the main TV plan. So remember, we talked about the main TV plan being $82 a month, but after taxes and fees, it gives it a lot to be desired. So here are the plans that they're launching this week. So discover the best plans for you. So with a few taps, easily tailor your subscription based on what you want to watch. These options include, so we're going to start out with the sports plan. So the sports plan is going to be $64.99 a month or $54.99 a month for new users. So it looks like they're giving a discount for new users, and I think this only lasts for a couple months, but we get into the details. At $18 lower than a YouTube TV main plan, the sports plan gives fans access to all major broadcasters as well as sports networks like Fox Sports 1, NBC Sports Network, and all of ESPN networks, and ESPN Unlimited, which is coming this fall. All right, so we're going to read on and we're going to do some digging a little bit later just to see all the channels that this package includes. They also have a Sports Plus. Now this one is going to be $71.99 a month or $56 a month for new users. This is priced $11 lower than the main YouTube TV plan. With this, you get everything in sports plan. So you're going to get everything up here, plus your national news with networks such as CNBC, Fox News, MSNBC, CNN, in addition to C-SPAN, Bloomberg, and Fox Business. Next, we have the entertainment. This is going to be $54 a month, $54.99 or $44.99 for new users. And Comedy Bluffs, the entertainment package includes all your major broadcasts and content, ranges from FX dramas to Hallmark classics, with channels such as Comedy Central, Bravo, Paramount, Food Network, HGTV, and more, all for $28 lower than the main plan. So lastly, we have the news, entertainment, and family plan. This is $69.99 a month, $59.99 for new users. For $13 lower than the main plan, bundle your news and entertainment with content for families such as Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, National Geo, Cartoon Network, PBS Kids, and more. And again, it doesn't go into details of all the channel, but it does give you a snapshot of what's included. All right, so the main YouTube plan, which is $82.99 a month with over 100 networks across the genres, will remain our most comprehensive offering. So this package is still going to be available. It also goes on to say that subscribers who sign up for one of the plans will still have access to the product features offered on YouTube TV. This includes your unlimited DVR, the ability to add up to 6 members on one account, key plays, multi-view, and more add-ons such as NFL Sunday Ticket, RedZone, HBO Max, and 4K that you can also purchase to create a truly customized viewing experience. All right, so it does give you a snapshot right here, and says with YouTube TV plan, customers now have a choice and flexibility to watch channels they love and all in one place. 1 asterisk means this is for the first year. 2 asterisks means this is for the first couple months. All right, so it looks like for the folks that is getting that lower deal, the new subscribers, this is going to be for the first couple months. So everything that you see that has that promotion is for a couple months. This one, for instance, the sports plan is going to be for a year, so that gives them the flexibility to raise it over a year. So again, I wish they would have put that in writing, but it seemed like they put that in a fine print at the bottom. Let's head over to YouTube TV and see if these are available and see if we can get the full channel listing. All right, so just going through the website, looks like these plans are not yet available, but I'll keep an eye on it. And of course, as they said in the article, should be launching this week. Definitely want to check out the full channel lineup when it launches. So let me know in the comment section, what's your thoughts on these new packages? Really can't make a decision until we see the full channel lineup, so stay tuned for that. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.